Hello student, I am Arun Kumar from Beautiful Mind IS, New Delhi, and today I am going to raise one important issue that students with psychology optional often have. That I write very good answer, but I do not get good marks. What is the reason behind it? So this was a puzzling question for me also. So when I started my test series program, then I started discovering the issue, that what is the reason behind it, that some students, despite having good knowledge base, are not able to score pretty good marks. So what is the reason? There could be several reasons, but the most visible reason that I am going to tell you is this one. And what is that? That I will tell you, I will demonstrate this thing, that in 2018 there was a questions in civil service examination that according to Piaget, the egocentric preschooler is not intentionally inconsiderate, but rather has difficulty taking another's viewpoint. 2018 civil service examination, 10 mark. And let me tell you one thing, that I evaluated several answers, and what was there? In most answers I found that a student very uh, describe Jean Piaget's theory in detail, that what are the different stages of cognitive development theory of Jean Piaget, like pre-operational, sensory motor, cognitive, like that. So they described a lot, and then they put the features of every stages, characteristics feature of every stages, and then in somewhere in between they also discussed, of course, that what is egocentrism. That's it. And then they moved. So egocentrism they discussed, but they just touched that area. And what is the question? That egocentrism also of a preschooler is not intentional. Rather, they have difficulty taking another's viewpoint. So this was to explain. So what will be the right answer, structure and focus? That you need not to focus upon the entire Jean Piaget theory, just focus on this thing, that our cognitions develop, children cognition develop, and a preschooler's cognition is in developing phase, and at that stage of development child has difficulty in sharing other point of view. For example, when Jean Piaget conducted one studies in which he asked about some mountain area from different angle from a preschooler child, probably from his own children, and then what was the result? That no matter from which angle he was asking about the mountain, the answer was same. That a preschooler was just describing what he or she was capable to see from his own eye. So it may be that from another angle, suppose this side mountain is in between and you are that side and I am this side, so perception will be different, but child is not able to understand this thing. Why? Because at that stage cognition is still developing, and many of the feature of perceptions and cognition in general, that is thinking and reasoning in general, that reversibility feature is not there. That you go, suppose child assume that I am at that position and I can see the things, then only child will be able to understand others' viewpoint. So reversibility is missing, getting. And second thing is that focus is just on own perspective. So when Jean Piaget say that when mummy says that no, I don't want to see you here again, and then after some time child is coming with closed eye, believing that if I am not able to see mummy, mummy will not be able to see me. See this thing. This kind of things should be given. as example, the studies should be cited to make your point that yes, it is not a deliberate attempt to, for example, I am not able to understand. So this is attitudinal things, or egocentrism shown by me, for example, is deliberate. I don't want to listen your point. I don't want to understand your point. That is a deliberate refusal. But that at that state, child is not deliberately doing that thing. That is the limitations of cognitive development. उस स्टेज में उसका उतना ही डेवलपमेंट हुआ है. सो दैट इज कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ एवरी चाइल्ड, नॉट इज नॉट. अगर वो डेलिबरेट होता तो किसी एक में होगा, दूसरे में नहीं भी हो सकता. बट चिल्ड्रेन ऑफ दैट एज in common express that limitation. So you should tell that what is this and how it is not deliberate. Answers should be focused on this thing rather than describing all the stages and then what are the characteristics of sensory motor and pre-operational and then concrete operational and formal operational. Who is asking this thing? So out of the focus answer, imprecise answer is the biggest problem. And what is the reason for that? If you ask me, that I can tell you that maybe that you are not able to read the question properly and understand the question properly. So one of the important skill is to understand the question properly, because when you read the question properly and when you research indicates that in that case your many meta cognitions get activated and you assess the things appropriately, and then that help you to come up with a very appropriate answer. But what happens when you are very ignorant kind, when you are not very sincere or very focused, attentive, in that case sometimes question, as I have just demonstrated, when question is asking something and you may focus on something else, in that case from where marks will come. So I hope you have understood my point. So before you answer, try to read the question one time, two times, or as many times as required till you understand the question properly, and then only you should start answering. Otherwise, even if you write a lot, from where marks will come? Because question and answers should be well tuned. So this is the things, this is the message I want to convey. And before you blame everything, do you really understand the question and write precise answer? If you improve this thing, I am sure that your marks will improve, and this is one of the important thing where students lack. So God bless you. I think you have understood my point. अगले वीडियो में कुछ और बताऊंगा जहाँ से आप स्कोर कर सकते हैं, अपने को और इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. साइकोलॉजी ऑप्शनल एक बहाना है, किसी भी ऑप्शनल में इसी तरीके से वर्क करते हैं. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.